Cause around this cup, time moves half speed, yeah. You laugh softly, stirring in cream. Little silver spoon taps out the beat. Late cup of calm, just you and me breathing. Nothing we say has to mean a thing. Late cup of calm, let the world keep speeding. We stay right here, doing almost nothing. Street noise mumbling, far away storm. Your head on my shoulder, phone face down, gone. You trace circles on my sleeve. Every tiny touch slows my heart down. Low light, last table in the back. Steam from the cup, fog on the glass. You stir that tea like you stirring up thoughts. Tiny silver spoon, same loop, never lost. Sleep falling down on your wrist, soft cloth. You say talk slow, I got time to get caught. Sugar on the sauce, a little brown ring. Phone face down, that small quiet thing. You laugh low, lean close when you say, tell me what you hide when the room starts to shrink. Late cup, slow pour. You and me, say more. Nothing big, nothing loud. Just your eyes in this crowd. Late cup, slow pour. Let the night run short. Every word, every pause feels like taking armor off. You trace shapes in the spill by the rim. Tiny crescent moon, then a wave, then a limb. You say your dad used to live in the gym. How you learned to be strong but your voice stayed thin. We trade truth like we trade in small bills. One on the table for the weight we feel. You tap my glass, say top off the real. I say I never learned quiet until this chill. Yeah. Late cup, slow pour. You and me, say more. Nothing big, nothing loud. Just your eyes in this crowd. Late cup, slow pour. Let the night run short. Every word, every pause feels like taking armor off. Yeah. Ask me anything. Here in this hush. Outside, cars passing, here is just us. No big stories, just this slow breath shared. Your hand on the mug, my hand on the chair.